In 2015, three young Nigerians became united with a quest to develop and deploy effective and efficient technologies in resolving the myriads of issues that plague tax administration in Nigeria. The need to shorten the time and lessen the cost of tax compliance remains their overarching concern. Products were conceptualized and they set out to develop the first of them all, a manager that resolves the complex tax and other fiscal obligation functions that plague the payroll process in Nigeria. The Nigerian employer becomes answerable to just too many claimants on account of its decision to enter into an employment relationship, starting with the employee who must receive his net salary to the different pension fund administrator of each employee who must receive the statutory pension deductions and contributions to the income tax authorities, of which Nigeria has 38 of them, to the Federal Mortgage Bank of Nigeria that must receive the statutory National Housing Fund deduction, to the Nigerian Social Insurance Trust Fund that must receive the Employee Compensation Scheme contribution, and to the Industrial Training Fund that must receive the like-named contribution. The Nigerian employer today spends a minimum of 100 hours a month complying with the process of data gathering, computations, disbursement, filing of returns, and obtaining evidence of payment. This excludes the inordinate amount of time used in perilous traffic, speaking of Lagosians, commuting from one relevant tax authority to the other, including their banks. The compliant Nigerian employer does not just deserve an applause. It deserves a simpler system for compliance with its payroll tax obligations. Pay your tax is easier said than the reality of the compliance system in Nigeria today. With a system that is designed with stress as a recurring decimal, compliance will be lesser, collection not optimal, default increases, corruption gains a viral breeding ground, the economy is unable to take the benefits of its opportunities. Imagine an automated and highly secured cloud-based payroll management application, which means you can work from anywhere. This possibility is what our product called the Taxtech Payroll. It is envisioned to collapse the entire monthly payroll function to a process that should last not more than an hour for the most complex payroll function. Our challenges as people, as a nation, is surmountable, but it will take the greater majority of us working together in faith and determination to achieve it. Retains and sorts out all relevant payroll tax information of all employees, computes payroll taxes, prompts the user on when each payroll tax is due, remits the net salary to each employee, pays relevant payroll tax, pension deductions and contribution, income tax, National Housing Fund contribution, Employee Compensation Scheme contribution, and the Industrial Training Fund contribution to the relevant agencies or agents. Self-generates relevant receipts following remittance, payment of relevant payroll tax, completes all information required for relevant filing of relevant returns, sorts and recalls all uploaded payroll-related documents required for relevant tax audits, thereby allowing electronic audits by the tax administrator, checks against payroll fraud and illicit financial flow by ensuring transparency, and eventually, subject to authorization in that regard, will be able to work with the database of related government parastatals and private organizations.
We are comprised of a team of complementary skills in taxation and software development. We are able to work with corporate taxpayers and governments, including their relevant agencies, in building bespoke technologies, whether or not powered by the Taxtech technology for effective and efficient tax management. More significantly, Taxtech is able to integrate its solutions with existing technologies being used by its clients. As at today, Taxtech has, apart from the Taxtech Payroll, conceptualized and working on 3 additional tax management software, and they are Taxbook, a personal tax manager that provides the user an end-to-end experience in the computation, payment, analysis, and general management of the income tax obligation of the tax-paying citizen. We envision Taxbook to be that application which will serve as a fantastic memoir of the financial contribution of every citizen to the development of his or our society. Taxtech that, a business tax manager that provides the user an end-to-end experience in the computation, remittance, analysis, and general management of the user's value-added tax obligation. TaxIt Withhold, a business tax manager that provides the user an end-to-end experience in the computation, remittance, analysis, and general management of the user's withholding tax obligation. We believe in possibilities. Your joining us in this course will be more than valuable. We believe that our solutions will strengthen the relationship between the relevant tax authorities and the employers, which includes your company, in Nigeria in a more meaningful way, so that Nigeria's rating will improve on world economies in terms of stability, development, and growth. Thanks for your time. For more information on Taxtech and our products, please visit our website www.taxtech.com.ng or contact us on 01 453 9568.